Okay, in this video I'm going to fix a MTD yard machine that has a couple of issues. First, it won't start because the blades won't disengage, so you hit the start and the blades try to turn. And second, the deck does not want to go down right. It wants to stay on one side down and the other side stay up. Let's fix both of these. The thing is when you let the deck down, you let it up, you let it down, that side, see, it's going down more than this side. Now you can push it down, but it was wedging. Right here, it snags on that. This thing is a straight drive. It doesn't have an idler pulley to engage the belt. I put in the belt of the engine because it wouldn't start because it was binding up, turning the blades and all. But this goes straight to the engine, straight around that, straight around that. There is no tension pulley on these. So it has to use the shift of this going forward as you lift it up to disengage the belt. I got to looking over here. You can see the stuff moving in there. And I finally tracked it to look at here. This goes in here. Now look here. Look how close it is on the wheels. That's pretty close. Anyway, so I'm going to hook that back up and we'll see if that fixes the problem. I think this is the same size. Yep. Alright, so we're going to go with this. I didn't want to go with this, but it's better than nothing. Alright, now so there it is. Okay, so basically it was one little pin broke or fell off and then the washer come off and that whole thing fell apart. I wonder how many of these machines ended up in the landfill or scrapyard because of a little 20-cent clip.